Can eyesight improve? Yeah, here's how to cure eyesight naturally in the correct way. Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to talk about what is needed to improve vision naturally, necessary to develop habits of eyesight improvement, choose correct exercises from my channel, and the most important rule for improving vision naturally. In one of the videos, I already told you that a doctor has about 20 minutes to see a patient, and during this time he can only prescribe glasses and medications for you. Doctors do not even have time to help you and tell you why your vision deteriorates, how the visual system works, how the eyes works, what affects the deterioration and improvement of vision. They physically cannot do it efficiently, and today I will try to help you and tell you about how best to start learning exercises to improve vision. Our eyes receive the necessary nutrients and regeneration takes place. This all happens due to the blood flow, and the blood flow and nerve impulses are associated with the work of the eye muscles. When we strain and relax eye muscles, they push blood through the bloodstream. And how well blood flow to our eyes, to the retina of the eye, and various parts of the muscles, to membranes of our eyes, so well our eyes will work for us. What is needed to improve vision? The first thing is to provide blood flow to our eyes, and this is to start looking actively around. For example, when we walking down the street, look at various buildings, cars, trees. Second, you need to develop a habit to give your eyes a rest every 20 minutes if you're using phone or working at the computer. Third, you need to learn how to relax your eyes. It is the most important step for natural eyesight recovery. You can find how to relax your eyes video on my channel. Relaxation is very important before and after exercises. Fourth, you can also try exercises on my channel. There is a video of the 3 best exercises for myopia nearsightedness and the 3 best exercises for hyperopia farsightedness. The common exercise in them is this exercise to look along the contour of the circle. Try to gently look along the contour of the circle in one direction and another direction. You need to feel if there are any breakthrough, mean their muscles are spasmodic and they do not allow the eye to rotate smoothly. If there is any pain, then the nerve is clamped due to the spasm. Therefore, we do it very gently. And you can make a smaller circle, for example, 1 meter in diameter or 4 feet, necessary to develop habits of eyesight improvements. We begin to develop a habit and do this exercise more often. The habit is developed after about 50 days of doing the exercise. Before performing any oculomotor exercises, you need completely relax. And for this, you need to close your eyes for 10-20 seconds and imagine how your eyes relax or do palming. It's also necessary to relax your eyes and give them a rest after each exercise. And if muscles get tired, immediately stop. An ideal situation if the eye muscle doesn't get tired or strained after exercises. Anyway, it is mandatory to do relaxation after exercises. Choose correct for you exercises from my channel. If you go online, usually you can find some kind of eye gymnastics. That is, if you even look at what is written there about this, in that kind of eye gymnastic, you will see that this exercise is needed because it's an excellent prevention of eye diseases. Those exercises, for the most part, that you can find on the internet, do not cure anything. They're only for prevention, and this means that you already have a good, clear eyesight. But if you watch this video you don't need prevention. You need myopia treatment exercises or hyperopia treatment exercises. I don't know a single person who looks at videos about eyesight treatment in case if his vision will deteriorate in the future. People usually look only when their vision has already deteriorated, so no one will do any kind of prevention. And the exercises that are there for prevention are not suitable for you. The exercises that I have on the channel are suitable for you. These are the 3 best exercises for myopia or the 3 best exercises for hyperopia. If you get the habit of giving your eyes a rest and a relaxation, plus get the habit of doing a little gentle stretching of the eye muscles, plus start looking more often at the distant objects, you will gradually improve your vision. Of course, not all people can move their eyes in different ways, but in all cases, it's necessary to do this in a relaxed manner. In fact, you can move your eyes in many different ways. And if you do this exercise regularly, then your vision will definitely begin to improve. If you do the incorrect exercises, they can worsen your eyesight. A lot of people sometimes do some kind of exercise from the internet and they only got worse. For example, a person with myopia already had an eye muscle spasm and he didn't give rest to his eyes, and he did top 20 exercises to improve eyesight and strain them more with 20 exercises in one workout, causing even more spasm. Should be a maximum of 3 special exercises with a maximum of 1 or 2 repetition and relaxation before and after exercises. That is why the 3 best exercises for myopia are on my channel. The most important rule for improving vision naturally: first, remember to improve vision you need to start with relaxing techniques, because they are suitable for any eye diseases and myopia and hyperopia and astigmatism. The simplest exercise to relax the eyes is to close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how your eyes relax. I recommend you to watch a video on my channel about palming. I'll tell you there how to do it and all the details, and they must be mastered. Because if a person does wrong any exercises, it will be less effective. The second exercise I will also recommend to you is wiggling. Sitting on a chair and wiggling from side to side. This is a very simple but very helpful exercise to relax eyes and body and psyche. When you sit a wiggle, all nervous irritation goes away, nervous tension goes away, and when nervous tension goes away, always relaxation will come. And if at this time your attention is on the relaxation of the eyes, then they will surely relax. The spasm will disappear gradually. For someone faster, for someone more slowly. I also have a video on my channel about the main causes of visual impairment. What are the main factors that cause deterioration of our vision, and what this deterioration supports, and most importantly, what doesn't give our vision to improve. Because if you don't know them, the exercise and relaxation will give a result, but bad habits of poor eyesight pull it back. Today I explain how necessary to develop clear eyesight habits. To keep the result of the eyesight improvement, you need to choose the correct exercises and learn relaxation techniques to improve eyesight. Subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the following videos with a very useful information on how to improve your eyesight. Hit the like button so more people can see this video, and we'll see you soon.